how to do NGL link on Instagram. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to do NGL link on Instagram. First, open the NGL app in your mobile device. Here, tap on the share button. Now tap on next step button until you reach share on Instagram. Tap on share on Instagram and it will take you to your Instagram story. Now tap on sticker icon and select the option of link. Paste the NGL link you have copied before. Then tap on done. Adjust the link on text like this. Now go ahead and post your Instagram story. Once your story is posted, you can play it to see how it works. Tap on the NGL link. It will take you to this page where you can type anonymous message. Your followers will need to type the message and simply tap on the send button. If you want to see these messages, open the NGL app. By tapping on these envelopes, you'll be able to see them. So this is how you can do NGL link on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.